here in Bornholm Forest, getting ready to put our North tent, hot tent up, and I really hope it's a hot tent because it's pretty cold today. That's pretty nice. Oh, Bornholm is beautiful. Join us for Skog in September. And you get so hungry you can't wait to end up putting the tube steaks on too early and they burn. But quite frankly, tonight we don't give a shit because we're hungry, right?
These are really good.
Right. Needs a good mustard, but other than that, it sounds pretty good, doesn't it? I think it sounds lovely. It's 10 below zero right now, and Jonas is going for some firewood, some little smaller gauge to get the oven going, and our aim is to get sauna temperature in there, see how long it takes, see how hot it gets, but we're hopeful. We're true believers. We're maybe converts in a little bit.
Det är lite spennende fettiga.
Ja.
Oj. Det är gott det.
Jonas says it's incredibly hot here right now.
Va? Är det varmt?
Yes, it's steaming. Steaming up.
Steam up.
Steam up.
Ja. Aj, aj, aj.